Hello friends, welcome to Learn Connector. Connector is used to display any diagram or data flow diagram. Suppose here we draw one box and we want to display the connection of this box with any one object. Suppose we want to display connection of this box with this object. Okay. If we properly connect this box with any one tool, Bezier, Friend or Pen tool. But if you want to edit the position of this object, then there is some problem. How to resolve this problem? For that purpose, uh, display the object, draw the object, give any shape you want to connect. Okay. Now here you have connector object, straight line connector. You can easily connect this anchor points. Okay. After that, if you want to change the edit this diagram, then also there is doesn't matter. It will always remain connected. Okay. You can also display connector like this, right angle triangle connection connector. You can also display like this connector. Okay, like this. Okay, you can also select the type of line, which type of line you want to use for connection. You can also select the type of line. Suppose here this line we want a dotted line, then you can also use the type of line where you want to a plain line or dotted line or dash line. You can select from here. Okay. Now suppose again we want to connect some other object. We want to connect this ball. Then you can also use rectangle connector like this. This will also hold the connection. Okay. As well as you can also edit the anchor point. Suppose here we want to edit anchor point. Then go to edit anchor point, and if we want to attach this anchor point here like this, you can also edit the anchor point. Now the anchor point is properly attached to a shape. Okay. Like this you can use a connector object, connector tools, or it is also used for data flow diagram or any type of diagram. You can easily use the connector tools. Okay. Thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.